howdy there pluckers, I was Salt Fingers back with you again with hopefully another interesting little ditty for you. This is of course the classic song Oh Well Part 1 from the early Fleetwood Mac, okay, featuring obviously Peter Green. So I thought this might be a good little workout for your little fingers. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, no cap as you can see, and I'm doing it in the same key as the original recording of E minor based chord key. Okay, so let's get to it. So starting off with the first part of the riff, there's about 4 different phrases in the riff. Okay, so we'll go through it slowly, one by one. So here we go. Right then, phrase 1. I'm going to go through it slowly for you, and then I'm going to break it down and show you how hopefully I played it. Okay, so here we go. What am I doing there? So starting off with a bottom E string open, you hammer into the 3rd fret of the bottom E string, whichever finger's best for you. You use your 3rd finger or 2nd finger, whichever. Just like that. So you hit the open E string, hammer into the 3rd fret, and then you pull off. So it's basically if you don't know what I mean by that, you basically, after you've hammered, you move that finger off the string by going downwards, and when it comes off the string, it makes another open string. So the bottom E string sounds again. Right? And it's all one movement. You only hit the string once. Bottom E string, hammer, pull off. Right? Then we play the open A string and hammer into the 2nd fret of the A string, the 5th string. Then we play the open 4th string, the D string. So now we've got slowly. Then we play the open A string again and hammer into the 2nd fret, and again pull off. Okay. So now we've got, and then we go to the bottom E string 3rd fret, and then we make up like an E minor shape, and we play 3 stabs on the thicker strings, the 6th string, the 5th string mainly, and possibly the 4th string. And it's like, so go down, 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 or you can go down, up, up. Or you can go down all the way, or down, up, up. So slowly, the first phrase. And on that last, before you go back to the E minor, you can do a slight bend on it if you want, okay? So once again. Right, 2nd phrase. Starts exactly the same. Bottom E string open, 3rd fret bottom E, pull off. Again, open 5th to hammer, 2nd fret. And we play the open 4th. Then we play the open A again, hammer to 2nd fret again. So you go. This time you put the, after you've done that, you play the 2nd fret of the top, the 4th string. So it's, got that. So it starts on the open 5th, hammer, 2nd fret, open 4th. And then you do the same thing again, open 5th, hammer 2nd, this time to the 2nd on the 4th. And then we do 3 chunks again on the E minor. So it's the 2nd phrase, so the 2 together. I'll do it again very slowly. third phrase. Very similar to the first phrase, bottom E string open, hammer to third fret, pull off as usual. Now we do the open A string, hammer to second fret, fourth string open, D string open, so we go. Now we play the open A string, but this time we hammer into the first fret on the fifth string, the A string, and pull off. I just sliding that finger off the A string and it's pulled like a pull off. Okay? And then we go to that third fret on the bottom E string again, and then 3 stabs. So the third phrase. So you put the 3 together slowly. Sorry. Get it right in a minute. Okay, so I'll play it even slower. Try and play it even slower. So those are 3 phrases together. The final phrase, again, starts exactly the same. Bottom E string open, third fret, pull off on the bottom E. And we again open A, second fret, hammer. And then we do an open fourth hammer. Okay, so it's... Okay, open fourth to second on the fourth hammer. So... And then we play the open fourth, second on the fifth, so you got right. So after that, open fourth, second on the fifth, open A, third on the bottom E, second on the bottom E, E minor shape. So it's like slowly. Okay. Right then, all 4 together slowly, okay? Okay, hopefully you've got that. I'll try and play it even slower, shall I? Yeah, okay. Right then, boys and girls, we move on to the next part. After you've done the initial riff bit, we come into this bit, it's just this. Okay, so what am I doing there? So it's just basically, I'm just basically playing the bottom E string open, and I'm hammering on the 5th string, the A string, from 5 to 7. So I'm doing that, so it's that. And then on that last note, I'm doing that little slide. I'm fretting the 12th fret of the 3rd string and the 2nd string as a double stop, and I'm just hitting those 2 and sliding it off. Alright, so it's something like that. You can do your own thing on that, but that's basically the idea that I'm doing, okay? And I do that 4 times, okay? So, right. Now we come to the next bit, which is again I'm playing the open string, bottom E string open. Now I'm doing, so it's again you play the open bottom E string and hammer the 5th string from 5 to 7, but this time you play the 5th fret of the 4th string, right? And then back to the 7th on the 5th, right? And then another 5 to 7 hammer on the 5th string. So it's, and then a couple of, again I'm playing mainly the 6th string and the 5th string, okay? And I do that 4 times as well. Okay, that's that 5th on the 5th on the 4th to the 7th on the 5th. Okay. Sorry. So I do that 4 times as well. Okay, and then the 5th time you do it, it's slightly different. It's sorry. So it's exactly the same on the 5th time for the first bit, but I'm using different fingers, and then what you do is you put your, I'm doing that with my first finger on the 4th string 5th fret, second finger is on the 7th fret of the 5th string, then I'm hitting that, I'm putting my 3rd finger on the 7th fret of the 4th string. Okay, so it's, and then you move that finger up to the 8th fret on the 4th string. So we've got, that's, okay. Okay, so let's do that. So that whole thing is like, okay, then you've got the final run, and that starts on the bottom E string 3rd fret. So it goes 3, 5, 6. Right. Then we go a little quicker on 7 on the bottom E, then 5, 6, 7 on the 5th. So we got, got that? Then we finish it off by going to the 4th string, 5, right, and it's like 5, then you go to, this is on the 4th string, 5 on the 4th string, 7 on the 4th string, and slide that up to 9 on the 4th string. Then we go to 7 on the 3rd string, and finally 9 on the 3rd string, the G string. Okay, so we go. Okay, so, and then I just finished off with a top 3 strings on the 12th fret. That's optional. It's my own little thing. Okay, so this whole second part is like this. We'll play it slowly. Sorry. Okay, that's basically part one for you. Obviously there's some singing, and then, or unaccompanied singing, and then it goes into the whole thing again. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Listen, no, that didn't blow your mind too much. Okay, thanks very much. Bye for now.